All right, YouTube, I need you to help me out. Hotsy doesn't even show this unit on their website. Based on the engine, it's from 1977, but I have never seen a hydraulic pressure washer pump before. That's a hydraulic tank with a hydraulic ram. I'm guessing moves back and forth to move the water. Hydraulic cooler. Then over here we've got the diesel burner for the hot tank, diesel tank, and then the water inlets. I have no idea what this toilet float bowl thing is for. Maybe soap, not sure. I think this tank's actually for the soap and it's not hooked up. Might be also plumbing for a non-pressurized water source maybe. Anyways, pretty good deal. Facebook Marketplace score. Needed something for cleaning the bulldozer and really didn't want to spend a bunch of money on a crappy power washer again if I could get a hot water model. And then I priced hot water models and realized they're kind of obnoxiously priced. So if anybody knows how to use this, chime in the comments, because Hotsy doesn't even have the manual for this style on their website.